Hi, my name is Kamper, and I'm a Ready One-to-One instructional coach at North Garland High School in the city of Garland, Texas, where I get to serve over 200 teachers and nearly 2,800 students to integrate technology in our newly one-to-one environment. This year, I've had the opportunity to present at many different conferences, not only from our local school district one-to-one trainings to our state conference TCEA over Google Apps for the iPad to the Texas Google Summit, where I was able to present on all the places you can do a hypermapping experience. From that opportunity, I've been given the ability to guest blog for Matt Miller over creating hypermaps with Google My Maps. Also looking forward to this summer to presenting at ISTE and the EdTech Coaches Playground about digital citizenship and how we can empower students in a building to change the culture. Spring has also been given the opportunity with my fellow Ready One-to-One coach team to co-organize our own Ed Camp Garland. It was a great experience. Also looking forward to next year having a student tech team who I will be training on Google and getting them certified in their Google Level 1 and Level 2. Also was able to get a local nonprofit organization set up for their Google for Nonprofits. Thank you so much for your consideration. I want to talk to you about my favorite Google form add-on, and it's called Form Publisher. How it works is it will take the data you have from a form and put it into a template. That template can be in a Google Sheet, in a Google slide presentation, or in a Google Doc. Beautiful template. I have all of my tags already in place. This is how you tell it what information you want where. So this will tell it where to put that information. So I'm going to go to add-ons. We'll go to Form Publisher, and we'll start with template. Normally it would walk you through. However, I've already got this set up, so I will show you the different pieces of what it will walk you through. So it allows me in the template to edit and pick my template. If you don't have a template, it will create one for you. I always recommend starting with your own template. The second thing it's looking for is markers matching. So these are things that it is reading as markers, which are like date, period, and what it means by that is this right here. So these markers. So noticing that all my markers are clear, can continue on and setting up my form publisher. So the next thing it would take you to is your destination folder. If you don't have a folder already made, it will make one for you and it'll name it Form Publisher Output, which is perfectly fine. You can go back and edit that later. The other cool thing you can do is actually edit how it names your file. Then I hit save. The next thing, sharing options and notifications. This is where I can add who has access, which right now I only want it to be me. If your Gmail is set up, then you can easily send people a copy of their form directly from Form Publisher. It's really awesome that way. So how does a completed form look? I did a test form and you can see that it filled in the content. So it replaced those tags with anything I had filled out. However I have it formatted is how it spits it out into the template. Form Publisher is a really great add-on.